Hi guys, hi YouTubers, hope you're well. My name is Matt Feast. I quickly thought I'd do a quick video on a company called WC Trading Bot. It's working very well. I've been a member for this company for roughly about say 6 weeks now. I like to test the water out first before I start really promoting it. I'm very happy with the company and it's working very well. And it's very basic, brilliant for beginners to make some nice little return investments, nice little commissions every day. I'm going to quickly go through it. And when you actually come into the platform, you need to download on your phone or your laptop a Telegram app, okay, which is free. You can do a Google search, okay. I will go through it in a minute. I've got a site you can actually go through when you sign up. I'll do that later on. But meanwhile, what you need to do, you need to make a deposit first. That's when you want to get involved in the company and participate. Okay. Once you make a deposit with the company, you're an automatic member of the platform of WC Trading Bot. Okay. Meanwhile, when you want to make a deposit, there's download the app on your phone, okay, or your computer, like I said earlier on. The links will be below the video. Okay. First, you need to do a deposit. Okay. So make a deposit, and there's loads of coins here. There's all off about say a good 8 or 9 varieties of coins. It's optional, which is very good. Personally, I do Ethereum. I love Ethereum. That's my thing. Yeah, but most people do Litecoin or Bitcoin. Up to you. Or you can use USDT TRC20. Right. I'm going to give you an example. Say you want to make a deposit. The minimum deposit is $100. Okay. When you send Ethereum or Litecoin or Bitcoin or Dogecoin or TRX, always make sure you add, say, an extra $1 or $2, which pays for wallet fees. Okay. But when you send USDT TRC20, it's dead on $100. Okay, because it's linked to the US dollar. Okay. So that's the deposit. So deposit of Ethereum. Okay. What will happen is it populates, say, silver plan, gold plan, and premium plan. Okay. And the silver plan is based on say $100 to $1,000. Okay. If you want to kind of put throw a bit more money in, yes, you do. You get more return investment. But my advice, really, when you first start, just do a small deposit, see how it goes, and then build it slowly. And it's entirely up to you. And the beauty about this, you can either withdraw, okay, every day, okay, or you can reinvest. There's a little reinvest button here. You can either have it automatically reinvesting every day, or you can just withdraw. Up to you. Okay. But please note, there's $100 minimum to make a deposit, $100 withdrawal. Okay. All right, into your exterior wallet. Okay. So I made the button. I'll click the button. Okay, going back to the pay a deposit. You got silver plan, gold plan, premium plan, and then you have the address. So make sure you click on or copy and paste the address exact, right? And you send that to your you put that to your exterior wallet and you send the funds into WC Trading Bot. Okay. Once you do that, it might take about an hour, 2 hours, it might be 10 minutes, depending on the blockchain. Okay. Once it arrives, you get a notification in your bot saying received funds. Okay. Very easy, very basic. All right. But if you want to look at the information here, you want to dig deeper. It's FAQ. All right. You can click on that button. It tells you what's happening, what's going on, who's the owner, blah blah, everything you want to need to know. And it's about us as well. Click on that button there. It's all the information's there. It's an open book. Okay. And the withdrawal. When you make a withdrawal, you click on the button here. You put your withdrawal address in, and then it logs it. It's very clever. You're going to have to go through it. I will be doing other videos of how to do withdrawals, but meanwhile, let's concentrate on the deposit and getting you started. Okay. The next thing to do, when you come into the platform, my advice really, I have done a little video of how to get started to make it easier for new people coming in. Please click on the link below. It's very important, okay? Because if you don't know anything about Telegram bots, whatever, you'll just get lost. So when you come in, all right, if I go to my site here, so you signed in, okay, you come straight to this page, all right? and it shows you how to create Telegram, sign up to Telegram, which is free. Okay, then you have different steps. Step 1 and step 2. Please watch my videos. It's very important. Okay, to get you started. Right? Please, please, please. And that's how you sign up. You click on this button and you'll come to a page. Okay, you click on the button. In fact, I'll do that now. Right? If you come to this page here, then you come into the actual trading bot. If you download it on your phone or your just up to you. Okay? I like to have it both, but that's me. We do have testimonials here, so click on the button there of people who experience WC trading bot. It's very, very good. We've got a lot of good positive testimonials here. Okay, so please watch that. And these are the Telegram. You can either sign up to the Telegram group. Okay, please, when you do sign up to the Telegram group, okay, you will be vetted because we do not like scammers or spammers. Okay, you will be vetted. Okay, so if you click on that, but we only allow paid members. So make sure you're a paid member, and you're more welcome to come through. Okay, please reach out to me. All right, and I'll add you, or you can just click on this link below. Meanwhile, all my contact details here. My name is Matt Feast. My Telegram, you can get hold of my Telegram. Ask me email, okay. And my Facebook, you can either reach out to me on Facebook, it's up to you, or you can reach out to me on YouTube, okay. But when you actually do send me a message, don't just say hi, because I don't know who you are. Explain that you saw my video, and then we can talk. And if you want me to do a Zoom call with you, I'm more than welcome to do a Zoom call with you. Not a problem. You have to book an appointment, and I'll make sure I'm on, and then we'll have a little chat and get you started. But I've made it quite easy for you guys to understand how to get involved in WC Bot, which stands for World Class Traders. Okay, bot, because it's automatic. All right. And I hope you got some value to the video. All my information will be below the video. You can contact me as per previous discussion in Facebook or Telegram or whatever. But please reach out to me if you do start, and then I will add you to the Telegram group. And yeah, anyway, happy trading, and thank you very much for watching my video. Really appreciate it. Thank you.